Welcome to another episode of Ask Prep. Today, we're taking a journey back millions of years to explore the ancestors of modern humans, the proto-hominins. Long before Homo sapiens walked the earth, a group of early ancestors known as proto-hominins began a crucial evolutionary journey. These ancient species lived between 7 to 4 million years ago, in a world vastly different from our own. Proto-hominins are the earliest known members of the hominin family tree, which includes humans and our closest extinct relatives. Some of the key species in this group include Sahelanthropus tchadensis, Ororanthusianensis, and Ardipithecus ramidus. These species lived shortly after the human lineage split from the common ancestor we share with chimpanzees, around 7 million years ago. Though they may have looked like apes, proto-hominins had begun to show characteristics that were distinctly human. One of the most important traits that sets proto-hominins apart is bipedalism, the ability to walk on two legs. Though their posture was still somewhat ape-like, this early adaptation laid the foundation for the fully upright walking seen in later hominins. Their skulls also began to change, with the position of the foramen magnum, the hole where the spine connects to the skull, shifting downward, indicating a shift towards more upright walking. While their brain sizes were still similar to that of modern chimpanzees, this change marked the beginning of a long evolutionary trend. While tool use is often associated with later hominins, there's evidence that some proto-hominins may have used simple tools. This behavior, along with their dietary shift to include a variety of foods, reflects their adaptability and the ecological pressures that influenced their evolution. The fossils of these early ancestors have been found in parts of Africa, including modern-day Chad, Kenya, and Ethiopia. These discoveries provide vital clues about how and where our earliest ancestors lived. As the climate changed and Africa's forests gave way to more open grasslands, these early hominins paved the way for the evolution of later species, like the Australopithecines, which would eventually lead to the emergence of the genus Homo. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the deep past. Proto-hominins may have lived millions of years ago, but their evolutionary legacy continues to shape who we are today. Don't forget to subscribe to Ask Prep for more videos on history and evolution. See you next time.